Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a browser speed test that I've done with the page loads. So how fast do web browsers load different pages? So this is non-scientific, by the way. These are 6 websites that I've actually loaded 10 times on each browser. The browsers that I've actually tested are Opera, Firefox Chrome, Google Chrome, and Microsoft Edge. Of course, the latest versions available as of mid-November 2017. So this is with the latest browsers of each company. So what are the results? Interesting results here. Opera is the fastest browser with an average of 3.2 seconds. Microsoft Edge on Windows 10, 3.7 seconds. Google Chrome is 4.2 seconds. And Firefox Chrome, that's supposed to be the fastest browser around, an average of 5 seconds. But one thing I want to say about Firefox Chrome, because a lot of you will say, well, I'm sorry, but it seems faster than the other browsers. And I will agree with you because I was intrigued by the result. So I started looking at how the page load. And I noticed that Firefox Chrome actually is able to prioritize the content before anything else. So what it does is it loads what you want to see. And while you are actually starting to read and look at the web page, it is finishing up the rest with the ads and everything. So it actually gives you the impression it's faster. And I'd say for content viewing, it might be actually faster. But it is very interesting. So they're tweaking that because in reality, when everything is finished loading, Firefox Chrome actually is the slowest of all. So take it as you want. I mean, this is non-scientific. It's loading times. One of the things I want to say is that if you say, well, ad networks sometimes don't. Okay, one of the things I want to mention here is that almost every website that I loaded 10 times had the same ads, which means same content and same type of ads would show up. And when a web page would hang on, for example, the ad that doesn't load, I did not count it because I know that the ad networks sometimes can have problems sending out the data. It is true that there could be some network, speed problems and things like that. And I know a lot of people will say, and there are some people every time that I do these tests that say, well, you can't really take it like that. But I will tell you why I'm comfortable with my results. Before, first of all, every page load was pretty much similar in time on each browser. So that, first of all, tells me, okay, it's kind of, there's no real huge difference. A web page would not take sometimes 12 seconds and another time 2 seconds. It would be, 3.5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3.2 seconds, 3.8 seconds. In the same second time interval, I would say, I think that pretty much tells me results are actually rather accurate in general. Also, like I said, when the ad networks would take a long time to load, I would just scrap that and restart the test with the web page. So some of these pages I loaded 14 or 15 times because I wanted to have the same results and make sure that it's not because of an ad that just takes a long time to appear or things like that. So these results, I think, reflect pretty accurately what these browsers are capable of. So I hope you enjoy, and of course, take this as you wish, and once again, non-scientific. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you so much for following us on this channel.